Today, we're gonna draw and paint a jellyfish together. Let's get started. I'll start by using a pink color to draw the jellyfish's body in the shape of an upside down U, just like this. And then I'll add a wavy line to it. Now I'm adding another wavy line under the first one, just like this. Next, draw long wavy lines coming from the bottom of the jellyfish's body to create its tentacles. You can make them as long or as short as you want, and you can draw as many as you like. Jellyfish use their tentacles to catch food and sometimes to protect themselves. Now I'm drawing its face. You can add a tiny dot inside each circle to make its eyes look more realistic. And now it's time to paint it. I'm gonna paint our little jellyfish with two colors, yellow and pink. Jellyfish come in lots of different shapes and colors, like round or bell-shaped, and they can be tiny or huge. Now I'm adding texture to the jellyfish's body. Ta-da! Our jellyfish is ready.
Wow!
Now let's take a picture of it.
Wow!
If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, my friends. See you soon. Bye.